Hi guys, it's Gaz here on the GAZWORLD motorcycle channel. Yet again, I'm here at CMC Motorcycles in Chesterfield in Derbyshire in the UK. I've come here to do a walk around review on this beautiful, stunning 2022 Yamaha MT09 SP in the famous colours silver and black with gold forks. Just show you this engine, which is a 890cc CP3 triple engine, liquid cooled double overhead cam. It's got 120 brake horsepower at 10,000 RPM, 93 Newton meters of torque, and an approximate top speed of 145 mile an hour. Just got your oil check window there. You've got a ground clearance of 143mm. On the 2022 MT09, they've changed the rear swing arm. Some like it, some don't, but I particularly like it when you've seen it in flesh, which is an anodised brushed aluminium swing arm which is coated in clear lacquer. Like a brushed aluminium. Like a metallic black and silver. Obviously gold forks. LED indicators. You can get fly screens which bolt onto them 4 bolts there just above the headlight, and then you've got your LED front projection headlight. You've got 41mm inverted KYB adjustable front forks with a travel of 5.1 inch. You've got 17-inch blue anodised forged aluminium wheels with Batlax Bridgestone tyres. Your front brake is a dual hydraulic with a disc size of 298mm, and obviously that's ABS. Plenty of stopping power. I'll just show you the front mudguard so you can see it fleck in the metallic paint. You've got a total length of 2090mm, a wet weight of 189 kilograms, and the seat height is 825mm. I just want to remind you, I do specialise in 4K close-up detailed walk around videos, so be sure to subscribe to my channel, it'd be much appreciated. You've got a double stitched suede look seat. You've got your petrol tank which holds 14 litres of fuel, and the bike does approximate 49 miles to the gallon. You've got a 3.5 inch full colour TFT screen with rider modes, cruise control which is up and down 2 mile an hour increments, a 6-axis IMU which stands for inertial measurement unit with rider aids. Proper mouthful. Your rear brake is ABS. It's a single hydraulic disc with a Nissin caliper, and the disc size of that is 245mm. Your rear suspension is a Öhlins fully adjustable type with a travel of 4.8 inch. We'll go around to the side in a minute and so you can see where you adjust it. LED rear tail light and LED indicators. This is your top model Yamaha FZ09 motorcycle. This is the top one they do in a 900. And there's your Öhlins adjustable suspension. Really nice quality to it. So you've got a 6-speed gearbox with up and down quick shifter. CP3 engravement on the side casings. I'll just walk you around this beautiful motorbike. You've got your brake reservoirs, which are like a clear smoked edition, which is a new feature on the 2022 model. So like I say, I'm here at CMC Motorcycles in Chesterfield. If you want to buy this bike or view it or order one, the price is $10,650 on the road. I'm sure the sales team will be happy to guide you through it and talk you or let you go on a test ride. I will put a link to their website in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Like I say, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and it'd be great to have you on board, so be sure to hit the subscribe and bell button for future videos. I aim to try and do one video every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on what models are coming out. Obviously I've got plenty of Yamahas on the channel, but I do all brands, so be sure to hit the subscribe button. I've been Gaz on the GAZWORLD motorcycle channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.